Hey friends, welcome back. Today we're making crispy fried monkfish served with a zesty chili oil vinaigrette and a refreshing watercress salad. Let's go. First, we're whipping up our feisty chili oil vinaigrette. With the perfect balance of heat, sweetness, and acidity, this sauce is going to elevate the entire dish. Just look at that beautiful color. It's vibrant, it's enticing, and this vinaigrette is about to make our monkfish unforgettable. For the base of the dish, we're keeping things fresh with a simple watercress salad. Tossed in a delicate sesame dressing, it's the perfect, refreshing counterpart to our flavorful and rich monkfish. First, we pat our monkfish dry and then season it lightly. Then we give it a light battering in a panko breadcrumb crust. And into the fryer it goes until it's perfectly golden and crispy fried. Monkfish, also known as poor man's lobster, has a unique, firm texture and mild flavor. It's a remarkable looking fish found in the depths of the North Atlantic Ocean. We chop some fresh green onion, and now it's time to plate. We're laying our crispy monkfish on a bed of watercress salad and drizzling that vibrant chili oil vinaigrette right over the top of everything. Scrumptious! What a wonderful blend of textures, flavors, and colors. Crispy, spicy, and fresh. Symphony in every bite.